Exchange with trivia. The Earth is not a perfect sphere. Its shape is best described as an ellipsoid. The equatorial radius is approximately 6,378 kilometers. The polar radius is about 6,357 kilometers. The North and South poles have switched places multiple times throughout history. Geomagnetic reversals have occurred hundreds of times over the past 400 million years. The most recent geomagnetic reversal happened around 770,000 years ago. It typically takes several thousand years for a geomagnetic reversal to begin and complete. The Sun has a lifespan, but Earth does not have a defined end date. The Earth's surface is constantly moving. The Earth's surface moves by several centimeters to several dozen centimeters per year. The fastest moving plates are in the Chromatic Trench. The seventh continent, Zealandia, is debated as a recognized continent. Sweden has the most islands in the world, with approximately 221,800. There are about 7.5 quintillion grains of sand on Earth. The hardest substance on Earth is not diamond, but likely Lonsdale-Late or Wurtzite boron nitride. The oldest rock discovered is approximately 4 billion years old and was found in Canada. It is more challenging to drill deep underground than to travel to the Moon. The deepest cave discovered on Earth is the Veryovkina Cave in Russia, with a depth of about 2,212 meters. The deepest hole ever drilled by humans is the Kola Superdeep borehole in western Russia, reaching 12,262 meters over 24 years. The drilling stopped because the temperature at 12,000 meters exceeded expectations, reaching 180 degrees Celsius. If you were to dig a hole through the Earth and jump in, it would theoretically take 42 minutes to reach the other side. There are around 20 active volcanoes on Earth at any given time. The oldest mountain range is the Appalachian Mountains, formed approximately 500 million years ago. Mount Everest, the world's tallest mountain, was once at the bottom of the sea. The uplift of present-day Mount Everest began around 50 to 70 million years ago. Fossils of ancient marine organisms have been found near the summit of Everest. About 40% of Earth's land area is desert. Antarctica is classified as a desert. The largest desert on Earth is not the Sahara, but Antarctica. 99% of Earth's water is saltwater, and only 1% is freshwater. Approximately 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water, while 29% is land. About 30% of Earth's water is groundwater. Approximately 68% of Earth's water is frozen in glaciers and ice caps. Only about 0.3% of Earth's water exists in rivers and lakes. If all the water on Earth were gathered into a sphere, it would measure about 1,384 kilometers in diameter. The saltiest body of water on Earth is the Dead Sea, where the high salt concentration makes floating effortless. Earth's tides are caused by the gravitational pull of the Moon. The Earth's oceans completely mix approximately every 300 million years. World maps are typically created using mean sea level, calculated from over 19 years of sea level observations. Certain regions on Earth have experienced continuous rainfall lasting decades to centuries in the past. Gold is dissolved in seawater at a concentration of 0.0000000011 milligrams per kilogram. But there is no efficient way to extract it. The total amount of gold in Earth's oceans is estimated to be around 20 million tons. The largest tsunami ever recorded occurred in Alaska in 1958, reaching a height of 524 meters. Nitrogen makes up the majority of Earth's atmosphere, at 78%. About half of Earth's oxygen is produced by marine plankton. The other half of Earth's oxygen is produced by photosynthesis from forests and land-based organisms. When Earth formed 4.6 billion years ago, a day lasted about 5 hours. Earth's rotation has been slowing down over time, and in a few billion years, a day may last about 25 hours. The primary reason Earth's rotation is slowing is due to tidal friction caused by the Moon. Earth's temperature has risen by about 0.8 degrees Celsius over the past 100 years. Over the past 1,000 years, Earth's temperature has risen by about 0.5 to 1 degree Celsius. Over the past 10,000 years, Earth's temperature has risen by approximately 4 to 5 degrees Celsius. Over the past 100,000 years, Earth's temperature has repeatedly risen and fallen by about 4 to 5 degrees Celsius. The lowest temperature ever recorded on Earth was -97.8 degrees Celsius in Antarctica. The highest temperature ever recorded on Earth was 56.7 degrees Celsius in California, USA. There are an estimated 14 million lightning strikes on Earth each year, about 40,000 per day. Approximately 2,000 people are struck by lightning annually, averaging about 5 to 6 per day. The driest place on Earth is Chile's Atacama Desert, where certain areas have had no rainfall for centuries. Earth has undergone multiple episodes of complete freezing, known as snowball Earth. Around 500,000 earthquakes are detected annually on Earth. About 100,000 earthquakes each year are strong enough to be felt by humans. Roughly 100 earthquakes annually cause significant damage or harm to humans. The Moon is moving approximately 2 to 3 centimeters away from Earth each year. From space, Earth's atmosphere appears blue. There are approximately 22,000 pieces of space debris orbiting Earth. Even a 1 centimeter piece of space debris can impact with the force of a speeding car. Earth becomes lighter by about 50,000 tons each year. Earth receives approximately 40,000 tons of meteoroids and cosmic dust annually. About 90,000 tons of hydrogen and helium escape into space each year. Earth moves about 1.5 centimeters further from the Sun each year. To escape Earth's atmosphere, an object must travel at a speed of 11.2 kilometers per second. Earth is bombarded by 100 billion to 1 trillion meteors daily. Of these, only a few thousand meteors are visible to the naked eye each day. An estimated 17 meteorites reach Earth's surface daily. The existence of life is as improbable as shaking a disassembled clock in a box and having it reassemble itself. About 30 to 40% of Earth's landmass is covered by forests. There are over 2 million known species on Earth. There are an estimated 8 million species on Earth yet to be discovered. Approximately 40,000 species go extinct each year. Between 2,000 and 12,000 new species are discovered annually. The most numerous species on Earth are insects, with over 1 million identified. Around 90% of Earth's species are invertebrates. Earth has experienced 5 mass extinction events in the past. The extinction 450 million years ago was caused by an ice age, wiping out 85% of marine life. The extinction 370 million years ago was due to volcanic activity and climate change, killing about 75% of marine species. The extinction 250 million years ago was triggered by volcanic eruptions, eliminating 95% of species. The extinction 210 million years ago was caused by volcanic activity, killing 75% of species. The extinction 66 million years ago was caused by a meteorite impact, killing 75% of species. A 6th mass extinction, primarily caused by human activity, is believed to be underway. Approximately 140 million people are born each year, averaging 380,000 per day. About 67 million people die annually, averaging 180,000 per day. The leading cause of death globally is ischemic heart disease, involving artery blockages and clots. A teaspoon of soil contains more microorganisms than there are humans on Earth. Before trees dominated, fungi similar to mushrooms thrived on Earth. The largest living animal on Earth is the blue whale, measuring up to 30 meters in length. The largest known animal in Earth's history was the Jurassic sauropod Mamenchisaurus, reaching lengths of up to 40 meters. The only known organism with a metallic body is the scaly-foot gastropod, a type of snail. The longest living animal on Earth is the immortal jellyfish, theoretically capable of infinite life. The deadliest animal to humans indirectly is the mosquito, causing 700,000 to 1 million deaths annually. The deadliest animal to humans directly is other humans, with about 400,000 annual fatalities. Change with trivia. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.